In today's video, I'm going to show you how to track inventory in QuickBooks Online. Keeping your inventory organized is essential for running a smooth business, and QuickBooks makes it much easier than you might think. Start by logging into your QuickBooks Online account and heading over to the Sales section in the left-hand panel. From there, click on Products and Services. Here, you'll see a complete list of all your items, along with the current quantity on hand. This gives you a real-time view of your stock, so you always know what's available. If you want more detailed insights, QuickBooks lets you run custom inventory reports. Look for the More option at the top right and select Run Report. You can tailor these reports to focus on the data that matters most, whether it's tracking popular products, spotting trends over time, or catching any discrepancies in stock levels. Customizing your reports allows you to turn raw data into actionable insights, helping you make better decisions for your business. Make it a habit to check your inventory regularly, update quantities, and review your reports to stay on top of your stock. And that's all there is to it. Tracking inventory in QuickBooks Online is simple once you know where to look. Use these tools to manage your stock efficiently and keep your business running smoothly. And that's how you track inventory in QuickBooks Online. Share this video and subscribe for more helpful tutorials.